So we installed 2 electrically operated awnings. The awnings work on a remote control. I can work both awnings together, or I can work them separately, however I want to do it. And with the addition of a wind sensor, when the wind gets up, the awnings will automatically close above a certain wind speed to protect them. So we can go out, leave the awnings out, whatever the weather, we know that they're going to be safe for when we get home. So we went for a light coloured fabric, which really blends really well with the outside of the house, and it keeps everything light and airy inside. We love the fact that it's waterproof, which means we can put it away just after it's been raining. Because the awnings were to be used all year round, we wanted to have some sort of heating. So we had a very efficient electric heater fitted under one of the awnings. And it gives us that addition of using it in the evenings or in the winter time, but generally all year round. And it's very, very comfortable environment. It heats the space beautifully well. It's cheap to run, and we're really, really pleased with the heater.